keep them from flexing, I'll begin to skim off the top of these boards. Continue bonded, and I've got my shim right in the middle. So even if this is pretty good, pretty flat, you know, it's certainly flat this way. Probably something I should have done from the very beginning. So on this side, I realized that the gap between this bottom bit here and here was only 6 inches. I kind of expected, but everything is gone from this section and this section. And if you remember times, and then I'm gonna bring it down a little bit to try and get the middle out and see if I can. 1 inch, I still have 3/8 of an inch. Well, how what this thing is. And it's not that bad. What you do is flip it, run it through the planer again a couple of times, flip it back. Like, just stop. It's poplar. It's gonna be painted. I ripped the 2x4s down to 3 inches. Just over. And then but I do keep it from moving out over. Okay, cool. 2 each. Nice. Yeah.